Hi, what's up guys? In this video, I am going to show you how we are going to withdraw our Litecoins in this Faucetpay micro wallet to our Coinbase wallet. First, you need to log into your Faucetpay account and you need to have a balance of Litecoins to get a withdrawal, and when you got those two, you can start to withdraw. After you sign up, you can click this button that says withdraw. It's here. It's very easy process. Then in this box that says coin, choose the desired coin that you need to withdraw. In this video, we are going to withdraw Litecoins, so I'm going to choose Litecoins, and this is the amount that I have in my account. I use normal withdrawal 4 hours because the fees is low in the normal withdrawals. Then the withdrawal address. You need to log into your Coinbase account and get the Coinbase Litecoin deposit address. I will put a screenshot. Yes, the place you need to get it, and copy that link. After you copy that link, you need to link that address in the Faucetpay. To do that, we can simply click this little blue word that says link and go to this web page and put that address here and choose the coin. This is very important guys. This is a Litecoin address, so I need to choose Litecoin. If you put a Dogecoin address here in this box, choose Dogecoin. Since I put a Litecoin address, I choose the coin as Litecoin. Then you can click link address and you will see the linked address like this, and after that we can again go to withdraw and choose the coin that we are going to withdraw, the Litecoin, and here's the withdrawal address and then the withdrawal amount. Yeah, let's withdraw them all. As you can see here, they are getting 5000 Litoshi as a fee. Then we can click place withdrawal. After you click the place withdrawal button, there will be a pending, so we now wait.